Hey, how's it going? I just bought the Fringer version 2 of their smart adapter for Fuji using Canon lenses. Anyway, I'm just gonna unbox it really quick, show you a few test shots, and yeah, it should be really easy. Open it up, take the external off, instructions, and we got it. Alright, so here's the adapter. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'm using the Sigma 18-35 the first time, and I'm going to put that on right now. Okay, I was shooting on the Fuji X kit lens, the 18-55. It's got incredible autofocus, and now I've got the 18-35 from Sigma, made for Canon, attached with the Fringer Pro 2.0 adapter on the X-T3. So I'm going to show a couple of test shots. This right now is a test shot. I don't know how the autofocus is working. I hope it's working well, but I'm going to do a couple of tests to show you.
I cut my teeth till I taste the way my empty mouth finds the words to say. All the things I found being chipped away, and all the ways I built from how I pray. And every laugh has a cry, every loss has a gain. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same.
Okay, this is a test of the eye and face autofocus. We're going to see how well it keeps track of a little bit of movement. Let's go a little quicker. Okay, I'm set against the sunset now, so this is a little bit of an autofocus test for it to see how well it shoots when backlit. But also it's an audio test because the adapter has allegedly made a lot of noises for other people. I've experienced that with adapters on Sony before. They're super noisy when they try and do autofocus. So I'm seeing now if the audio is still half decent when you're trying to capture it in camera. I have to use my in-camera audio right now because my mic died. So let's see if this still works.